Welcome. We're exploring a fundamental shift in our economy, the impact of artificial intelligence on the middle class. For generations, the path to a stable middle-class life seemed clear and predictable. It involved getting educated, building a career, buying a home, and gradually improving your standard of living. This framework was incredibly successful, helping to create and sustain the modern middle class. But a new force is emerging, one that challenges the very foundations of this traditional economic structure: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is beginning to challenge some core economic assumptions we've long held about human labor and value. Today, AI can write code and analyze complex documents, tasks once exclusively considered highly skilled human work. Furthermore, AI is adept at generating creative content and automating sophisticated, complex workflows across various industries. All this innovation leads us to a pivotal question for the future of our society. What happens to the existing economic model when intelligence itself becomes a resource that is scalable and abundant? This shift directly impacts the middle class, whose stable careers are often built on those very tasks. AI is now automating. The challenge ahead requires us to rethink our institutions and economic policies. We must consider necessary societal and economic adjustments to ensure prosperity in an AI-driven world. The future of the middle class depends on the decisions we make today. Let's start the discussion on adapting to this intelligent future.